Hello, welcome to Gar Weekly. Today I have an airplane that I made in high school, which seems like forever ago. And I'm just throwing stuff out, so I figure, why not try to fly it one more time. So we'll see if this works. Well, that sucks. It flies and falls. And now onto a video of Bailey trying to swim in a kiddie pool. This is Bailey's first time trying to get into the little kiddie pool that we gave him. He sees the Kong. Bailey, go get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Go get it. Bitch. Parents.
Oh, there. Get him.
Oh, there you go.
That's Bailey.
I think he wishes he had thumbs. He's blowing bubbles.
Good boy, Bailey.
Good job.
Get it. See, you can touch it. Fetch. Fetch.
I'm working on it.
Good boy. Good boy. He's got both paws in.
Get it?
He's pulling. He had it in his claws.
Get it, man. Come on. Just grab it. Fetch. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Come on, Fetch. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Let's get it. Get it, get it, get it. Good boy.
Good dog.
Good dog. Good dog.
Oh, he's almost catching it.
Did you get him wet?
He just pulled it right out.
Good boy.
Good dog.
Good dog.
Want to do it again?
Okay.
I got it. Set. Good boy. Good dog. Now it's super easy.